How to use color vacuum in color block jam. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use this booster. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you'll be able to see different boosters that are available. Here on the fourth option you can see this vacuum like icon. Simply tap on this vacuum like icon. Now here, what does vacuum do? Tap and vacuum blocks with the same color. So you can do this in order to vacuum, and automatically it will erase all of the blocks that are together. So it is a great booster that you can use. So it is also one of the most powerful booster you can find it in the game. Now you can use this in different situation and move forward in the gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.